In this video, we're going to have a look at how you can connect your Convertri account to your Platformly account. So under the account settings, you'll click on integrations on the left panel. And from there, you're going to scroll down to where you see Autoresponders, and then you'll see Platformly over here. You're going to click Setup, and then it's going to ask you to enter in your API key. All right. So by clicking here, it'll take you to the login page, and then you're going to go to the API docs and keys section. So I'm just going to go and do that now and then paste one here. Is available from the drop down over here in the top right. You'll see here API docs and keys. You click that, you'll then click new key and give it the name, for example, Convertri, and then copy and paste that key in here and click save. Okay, now you see that it's successfully connected. So what that means is we've now got this integration active. So when we go to create a page under our campaigns, we can come here, we can create a new funnel. And from here, we can either create one from scratch, or you can choose an existing funnel. So what we might do is we might just, from an opt-in point of view, we might do this one. We can give it a name, select a domain to attach it to. And then you'll see here, it shows you the pages, how it works. So we go from opt-in to thank you, and then later from sales page to checkout page to delivery page. So in this case, we're just going to edit the opt-in page. So the way to do it is you come up here where it says forms in the top and you click that. This is basically to configure the form that's going to be on this page. So then under Autoresponders, you'll be able to click on Platformly. And this is going to load all of your projects, right? So what project you want your prospects added to. So in this example, we're just going to select Project X. And then it's going to pull back all the form fields that you can map. So you can use the email, the first name, last name, address, city, state, country, zip code, website, IP, etc. And here, subscriber tags, we can assign tags. So it's going to pull the tags from your account. It's going to pull a long list here. You can actually search by typing to get the one you want. In this case, we're just going to choose tag 1. Okay. And then we need to set up the redirect. So where do we want them to go afterwards? And in this case, we're just going to do test page. Okay. And then we click done. So now the form is configured. So then when we come here, we can then go and we can just select the fields. So this is an email field, which is correct. And of course, it's going to be required. And the validation will check that it's an email address. Okay, let's actually just save this and we'll preview it. Okay, we submit the form. And now you see it takes us to the page that I set. So I set this page as the redirect page. And then if we go and we look inside of Platformly, so we see here, so here's tag 1. If we refresh this, there should be 2 contacts in tag 1. There you go. And if we click on that, we should be able to see the colon testing. Colon testing 1. So the tagging worked, they're added into the correct project in the correct system. So that's how it integrates with Convertri from the form action and from the integrations dropdown. I hope that this helps you get set up and using Convertri with Platformly.